Get ready for an extreme chopped showdown.
I dare any chef to take me down.
I am unstoppable.
Victory is just my style.
16 returning champions. 5 grueling battles.
So glad that just happened.
Only one chef left standing in the end.
You gotta get through me first, homeboy.
I'm shaking so bad.
Who will take the tournament and the $50,000 prize? And who
I want it so bad.
will
I'm the best chef here.
be chopped?
This is competitive cooking at its highest level. One champion has already secured a spot in the $50,000 grand finale. Now, 4 other fearless returning winners hope to home in on what made them champs the first time as they join us for a very special chopped homecoming. Same rules, chefs. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. Each round is timed. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. But if you win, your prize will be a spot in the grand finale where you'll compete for $50,000. Please open your baskets. And we have frosted wheat cereal, baby red romaine lettuce, black garlic, and quahog clams. 20 minutes for the appetizer round. Clock starts now.
As I'm shucking the clams, I decided to raise them nice and gently in some white wine, cut the lettuce to a wedge, do a nice wedge salad. All flames on, all flames on, all flames on. My wife calls me America's next great chef.
Get behind. $50,000 is a lot of money. Something I've never even made in a whole year. I'm gonna marinate the clams with a lot of lime juice, vinegar, some ginger, and the black garlic.
None of them are at the level of my career. They all work for people like me. I start my broth with some celery, some garlic, a little bit of lemongrass. And with the clams, my approach is to steam them lightly.
The first clam is giving me problems already because I'm not a shucker. I'm thinking a quahog clam saute with the black garlic accompanied by arugula and red romaine salad.
My winning strategy today is to come out guns blazing, have no fear, and show technique. I see my competitors using the cereal as a garnish, but I really want to turn it into something else, so I'm gonna use it to thicken my soup. Then I take the romaine, I shave it really thin. I'm not sure how the soup and salad kind of play together, but I'm kind of just making it happen.
30 seconds.
Finish your plate. Finish your plate.
Adrenaline's running, energy's high. I want to be the champion really, really, really bad.
Now I really have to hustle. There's no room for error. Those $50,000 would really help me. I have so many plans for the future.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
Whoa!
It's Chef Danielle.
I've prepared for you sauteed clam and Italian sausage.
Chef Michael.
In front of you have a coconut clam soup with a little bit of romaine, black garlic, and shredded frosted cereal.
Chef Alejandra.
What I made for you guys is a black garlic marinated clam cocktail salad with shredded wheat on top.
Chef Shehu.
Today I prepared my take on a wedge salad with clams and a black garlic aioli with shredded wheat croutons.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Shehu, you've been chopped. 1 round down, Chef Danielle. Chef Michael, Chef Alejandra, please open your baskets. And we have tuna belly, lemon curd, purple cauliflower, and dried cuttlefish snack. 30 minutes on the clock, starting now.
I decided to do the tuna 2 ways. Okay, smoked tuna belly coated in some paprika, a little bit of olive oil, and also the tuna carpaccio salad with arugula.
When I see the dried cuttlefish, I know that I can use this as some sort of breading for the fish.
In Spain, they eat this tuna belly with white bean salad. I wanted to take a riff on it and make like a stew with it.
purple cauliflower. Really interesting ingredient. Nutty when it's cooked down and caramelized. I would like to see that ingredient transformed a little bit.
I'm making cauliflower mashed potatoes. I add some butter, heavy cream to make them as velvety and smooth as they could possibly get.
Chefs, you are down to 2 minutes.
With time running out, I know that I have to use this cuttlefish snack. It's a force to be reckoned with for sure. I decided to make a sort of crouton and dress my salad with it.
1 minute, chefs.
Time's definitely slipping away.
Holy moly. I'm seeing a little franticness on Danielle's part. She knows she has to bring this.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Michael, please tell us what we have here.
In front of you have a smoked tuna belly with a little bit of roasted cauliflower, a lemon curd almond foam, a salad of tuna carpaccio, and cuttlefish.
Chef Alejandra.
I made a Spanish-style white bean stew with the tuna belly and some roasted purple cauliflower.
Chef Danielle.
Today I prepared for you a cuttlefish snack dredged tuna belly.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Alejandra, you've been chopped. Chef Danielle, Chef Michael, please open your baskets. And you must use cacao beans, masa dough, pisco, and gorgonzola dolce. You have 30 minutes. Clock starts now.
I'm thinking sweet potato pie. It's very near and dear to me.
Fresh masa dough. I eat a piece of it raw. And I'm like, that's kind of gross. Maybe this could be like a cookie to make some kind of a Napoleon with some kind of fruit base. Start whipping some egg whites and sugar and the cheese, but it's not becoming what I want. These egg whites are not thickening up. I have to scratch it, go back, and start all over. Oh, you son of a... This is round 3, you know? This is go big or go home.
Michael's style is very different from mine. My food is simple, but it doesn't matter how many ingredients you put in it. It's how much love you put into the plate. I think that I can beat Michael because this comes from my heart.
Chefs, you are under 2 minutes now.
I need to top my cookie with a little bit of the meringue, and it's getting tight. It's coming down to the wire.
1 minute to go. Got a plate.
The dessert has to be as close to perfect as I can possibly get it. And there's 50 grand on the line.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
That stressed me out really bad.
Chef Danielle.
This is my take on a deconstructed sweet potato pie with a cacao and pisco cream.
Chef Danielle, thank you.
Thank you.
Chef Michael.
You have a masa sugar cookie with a pisco berry soup and gorgonzola dolce meringue. I think that my experience here just solidified what a bad I am. I really transformed the ingredients into something else. And I just hope the judges are smart enough to realize that.
My confidence level is pretty high, but at this level of competition, nothing really makes you safe.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Michael, you've been chopped.
Thank you.
And that means, Chef Danielle, that you are once again the chopped champion, and this time your prize is one of the 3 remaining spots in the grand finale competition where you will be cooking for $50,000.
I don't even know what to say.
Your food was both simple and complex, incredibly robust and delicious. You have a real talent for taking simple things and educating them to bring out flavor, and that's a real gift.